here today to walk through a duplex property, one of our clients' homes under construction. The client approached us with this property in Dianella. He actually bought this block next to a long-standing family property they've had when it came available. And he approached us to do a feasibility because we had to do a number of things for him. We're going to amalgamate the blocks, realign the boundaries, and then we needed to create a subdivision plan that benefited both properties and maximised the development. The client is doing the duplex first, and then is going to move on to the next property next door in probably a year's time. This particular property had a few challenges. It was a reasonably tight block, which narrowed at the back, and we had easements to stay away from. As well as one of the larger challenges were the acoustic upgrade requirements in order to get building license, and through Shire was a fair challenge. So we did the windows to the master bedroom. We had to structure the front elevation to minimize windows, and then we had to use a laminate and a thicker glazing product for the front master bedroom windows. We also, in those front rooms, had to put a lining on the wall, which is an acoustic upgrade, as well as acoustic upgrades in the roof. Great size units, 4 bedrooms. This is now the 4th project that we're doing for this client. It's been an ongoing relationship of almost 10 years now. This is due to go to market in a couple of months. The client's extremely happy. So I think this is going to be another successful development, and then we'll move on to the property next door and do those units.